Yeah. Uh-huh. Salute. Hey, look, check this out real quick. It's your guy, M.E. Drip. Here we go again. Here we go again. We back here with another special episode. This time I got the invite. Somebody called and they said, they was like, look, Drip, we got a new location for y'all. I want y'all to come check out this spot. We finna go to the bowling alley tonight. I want you to meet a couple of other brothers and stuff. Let's chill out with the guys. So I'm thinking it's the guys here and stuff like that. It's a mix of guys and gals. So we just here for a quick night of bowling here in Thailand. And so I just want to show y'all what the experience like. Good vibes, good time, good energy, great spirits. So again, I ain't gonna hold y'all on. I want y'all to tap in, tune in, lock in. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hold up. Come on. Come on. Come on. So my fingers hurt already. I had to speed that first portion of the video up because it was my turn to go bowl, but I kind of suck at bowling. But I'm just here for the fun of it. So maybe y'all may see me bowling, or maybe not. My name starts with an M. Obviously, me, Drip. So I'm on the scoreboard, and this is the fourth round. I'm in last place, but there's no change because they just bowled ahead of me. So once the new round comes, then you can see who scored. Right, look at this. I'm in last place. Last place. But hopefully the 56 round is going to change. As y'all see here, nothing too fancy, just a simple bowling alley, not too many lanes. The prices here ain't too expensive. Well, I was the one who wound up paying. And they sell alcohol here. I'm gonna show y'all the alcohol. Like I said, it ain't nothing too crazy, but it's just a good time. And another thing is, it's built into the hotel. So in this hotel, it has a bowling alley in it. So I think that's what I'm gonna probably do. I'm gonna take y'all on the tour in the hotel and show y'all what it's about. But I just got a cool idea. I'm probably gonna mess it up, but I'm a bowl. Hold on. Here's my turn. Here we go. I'm a bowl with it in my hand. No, I suck with it. Hey, I use it like lighter. You know what I'm saying? Gutter ball. Bowling ain't my thing, man. It is what it is. And another thing, I'm a little off today because, a guy was telling me, he asked me, he was like, yo, did you ever play baseball before? And I was like, yeah, I play baseball. And he was like, that's why, because you pitching the bowling instead of actually just letting it roll. Because he said it won't work if you pitch it because too much wax on the floor. So that could be a reason why I'm off. I think it's some of the reasons why I'm off, but I just suck at bowling. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying it just ain't one of my strong suit is, you know. But back to the regular program of the content. And it's a good food here, homemade spaghetti, Thai spaghetti, some more. Man, this is cold. This old man got some game. I ain't gonna roast him, because it's my guy. He the one who invited me. This dude right here, he the one who invited me. This man, he got some game. Don't let the old, hey, don't wait till they old. Right? Don't let that fool you. Watch this. And yeah. All right, so I just went up and I almost hit the strike. I only had one pin left. I think I had to put the camera down and actually focus on bone a little bit and a little flickety wrist. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still in last place, but it's all good. But I feel good because I'm heating up. Hopefully, I won't get blown out too bad. I lost. I feel a little better because I was slowly warming up, catching up to him. I found my flow. All right, so I feel good. But we're gonna keep this show going. Yeah, man. Japan was cool. One thing I can say that I do miss about Japan compared to here is it smelled a little better on the street. Oh, I bet. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, the food is good there too, just like here. But sometimes it can be just probably a tad bit hit or miss. But one thing with Thailand, like one thing I can say here so far is like it's packed with a lot of flavor. Whether I like it or not, they pack a lot of flavor to it. Uh, and I was in Japan for about 3.5 years. Now, first I was there on the military. Oh, you're in the military? Yeah, I was in the military, and then I came out there on my own, which is this year, and I was there for like 6 months. Okay. Yeah, then I left there, came straight here, so there you go. Cool little thing. It's also the scoreboard reset. The scoreboard reset. So I found my groove. So we're gonna see if we're gonna do. I'm gonna do a little better this time. And it's loud in here, so I don't know how it's gonna sound on the mic, but it's loud in here, so I'm kind of talking loud. But we're gonna see how I do this time. I found my groove now. Can you do me a favor? It's so close. Right? I'm up close, so just record me. You can go on the side right there. No, no, no. Now keep in mind, it's still kind of close, so. Oh, we go that way. That way. Yep. All right, so get that way, get that way. Bring it back. Yeah. Uh-huh. We warming up. Man, I got something to tell y'all. I'm a little jealous. I'm a little jealous. I thought I was the one on. But this guy right here, this is a whole nother Miguel out here. I really don't like that. I really don't like that. But what I can say is I'm the only chocolate Miguel out here. Miguel Ramon. Are you Hispanic? Oh, okay, okay, he's Hispanic. Thank you. Okay, I feel a little better. I'm the only African American. I know, right? I'm in second place. It's time for me to finish this. Still got a long ways to go. I miss some, but it's not about how many you start out missing, it's how you finish. Hey, so again, I'm gonna wind up being in last place. I hit two gutter balls, so I lost my rhythm. Uh, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. And so I still got plenty of ground to make up. But some of these guys already was hitting strikes in that round, so I got a lot of ground to make up. But I still feel good because I got my rhythm. Now I'm getting to the point where I know when it's gonna be perfect and when it's not gonna be perfect. A lot of the time I'm rushing, but this ain't the best. All right, y'all. So that pretty much concludes it for this episode. Uh, None too crazy. This is a cool little scene. I think this is called the Lotus, right? But anywho, good little time, peaceful vibe, spending with the people. You know, these people I do not know, uh, but I only know like one person that gave me the invite. And sometimes it's just how it go. You may meet one person and they open up a whole nother door for you. So I'm appreciative of that. And what it did was it gave me extra content to be able to shoot to y'all to show y'all experience of the bowling. Now it's a little bit small here as far as the bowling alley, but hey, you know, you do what you do. It ain't about, the look sometimes, it's about the presentation of it. So yeah, as always, tap in. We got more bangers on the way. Till then, till next time, tap in, lock in, tune in. Yeah. Uh huh.